Hi everyone, Jason here at Lichtsinn RV along with Abby Nieman, one of our sales consultants. Today we're going to take some measurements of the all-new 2024 Winnebago Vita 24P. First we're going to do the sleeping areas. We're going to start with the full queen bed and transition to the dinette area and over the cab. So we will start with the queen bed that measures widthwise 60 inches. And then from head to toe area,
75.
You're at 75. So again, 60 by 75. So now we transition to the dinette, and this dinette actually has the Dream Dinette table mechanism, and we will illustrate how to break it down into the sleeping area. Going to remove both the back cushion and the seat cushion. And then there's a safety latch underneath here. You release that and then just simply push down on it. And then replace the four cushions. So the width of the sleeping area will be 40 inches. And the length is 70 inches. In addition to the dinette, you can also option out for theater seating as well. Our next sleeping spot is the overhead bunk area in the Vita 24P. And first we're going to measure the width of that. The width is 49 inches. And the length is going to be 87 inches. And then we're also going to measure the head area, head space, which is 22 inches. Several Winnebago motorhomes are compatible with the optional Luno front cab air mattress, including the Vita on the Mercedes-Benz VS30 chassis. The Luno Air mattress is made up of two sections and inflates in minutes to create a comfortable sleeping surface. Although designed for children and pets, it can comfortably sleep an adult up to 5'7". And Abby will illustrate the sleeping space. She is 5'4" and still has ample space remaining. The next spot we're going to measure for a sleeping area, if you have an inflatable mattress, is the space on the floor. And we're going to measure from the front of the cab back to the base of the queen bed.
That is 10 feet 6 inches.
So 10 feet 6 inches in length, and then the width from the dinette over to the galley area is 57 inches. And that is the measurements for the sleeping area in the Vita 24P floor plan.